for today's video, nandito tayo sa Swarovski Museum dito sa Wattens, Austria.
Ready na ba kayo to explore? Let's go!
I've been talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it. Your favorite gift. You can find me under the tree. I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve. Baby, unwrap me, unwrap me, unwrap me. You know where I'll be right under the tree, next to the fire. The snowflakes will fall.
Dito tayo sa Swarovski Museum dito sa Wattens, Austria, and we're going to explore kung ano yung itsura ng museum nila dito. I think this is the original headquarters, but as of today, lumipat na yata sa Zurich.
But the museum still stays here in Wattens, Austria.
Okay. Explore na tayo, guys.
I know just what you like. Oh, I guess Santa was listening. He got your wish list. He must have checked it twice. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning.
Kailangan niya scan yung QR kapag papasok kayo.
So first room is yung blue pool. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa loob. Maraming exhibits dito sa loob ng blue pool.
I think this is the biggest Swarovski crystal I've seen. It's 310 carats, 310,000 carats.
Wow.
Look at that.
Largest hand-cut crystal in the world with 100 facets. 310,000 carats. So kung yan yung largest, ito naman yung smallest. Yung tingnan mo makikita. Ito yung mga crystals.
It's purple, of course yung white crystals, may blue, may iba-iba green ones. Isa siyang malaking ball.
Ito naman yung silent light.
So, pwede kayong pumasok dito sa loob. Pero, maximum 3 minutes lang because it's negative 10 degrees inside of this room. So, papasok si Nico Wonders. Ako, maiwan na lang ako dito. Kasi sobrang lamig, negative 10 degrees.
Pasok na tayo sa may snow na exhibit nila.
I'll reuse it, love.
Pero siyang winter wonderland display. So, ayun siya.
Maliit lang yung second room. So yan. May pa-snow lang sila dito pero I think artificial yung snow na binabagsak dito. Yan. And then from here may small room. I think may mga crystals dito sa loob. Yan. May crystal exhibits. And then ito yung mga Swarovski dito. Pasok tayo ng crystal. Puro mirrors yung loob. Pero kung titignan mo yung mga ibang mirrors, depende sa tama ng light, makikita mo yung mga nasa loob. Pasok tayo sa next room.
So this is from the Cinderella 2015 movie, The Glass Slipper. And this is from The Wizard of Oz in 1939. Where ano siya, interpretation pala siya.
So this is the infinity wall. So mapapansin nyo parang may infinite number of crystals dun sa loob.
What are those? Just reflection?
I think more of illusion lang siya.
Oh. Nice.
Next room, dito lang. Transparent opacity. Next, Chandelier of Grief.
Big Ben, St. Petersburg.
La prima donna assoluta. Next is Eden. Surrounded ka by mirrors. Parang nasa forest full of mirrors. Next one is Famous. It's mga famous structures made out of Swarovski. So here you have the Taj Mahal. I think this is the ziggurat. Empire State. Pyramids of Giza. $55 million crystals. Next one, Heroes of Peace.
We work together on this. People need to be happy.
Just then.
And after ng museum tour, merong bilihan ng mga Swarovski dito. Sobrang laki ng shop.
Later.
Oh, magka-coffee muna tayo. May hot chocolate pala.
Tapos na kami dun sa loob ng museum. Actually, marami pang pupuntahan dito like yung labyrinth, may carousel pa.
Ay,
may
iba-ibang areas pa
iba-ibang
na
areas pa
pwedeng ng activity places, parang ganun, activity areas. Pero hindi na natin siya ma-explore kasi may pupuntahan pa tayo dito. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.
And kung nag-enjoy kayo,
Please do subscribe to our channel
give us a thumbs up
and hit that bell for more of our adventures
and misadventures as we discover.
and Wonder Austria. Good night!